Hey, Brayden. Brayden, look. Brayden. Okay. The slipper is far more interesting. Brayden, come here. Brayden. Hi, Bobby. What are you doing? Exploring? Are those yours? Say they are now. What's up? What you got? Is that Mom's? Can I have it? Thank you. You want to turn around and come here? Come here. Over here. Here, we'll see if we can set this down for a second. Maybe. You want to come here? No. Come here. Come here, turn around. Oh. Come here. Oh, goodness. Yeah. Come on, can you make it? Yay! Yay! Hi! Big time? Are you a big guy now? Yeah. Okay. You gonna go down? Get your duck? Mama. All right. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, sweetie.